Come on, good puppy. Chloe! So which way are we heading today, Chloe? That way is south. Okay? Then south it is.
When your soul is lonely, sad and blue, got no loving shoulders to lean on, there's always a sunny side across the river. Take a ride, take a swim, and all your worries go away. Go cross the river and you'll be fine. Go counting winners, it's right down the line. You'll be alright on the sunny side.
And what was your names?
Angela, Savannah, and Riley.
Thank you so much for all your hospitality. Chloe, what you doing? There we go. Thank you.
Go cross the river and you'll be fine. Go counting winners, it's right down the line. You'll be alright.
Thank you so much for helping us out. What was your name?
Hunter Fur, right here from Oconee County, Georgia.
Yes, sir. What coffee house are we at?
This is Jittery Joe's, based out of Athens, man. Killer local roastery, and we're about to take you down to Skull Shoals, down to 15, the Oconee County National Forest, my hometown areas.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for all your help.
So when you're feeling lost in the city lights, ain't got nowhere to turn your winding wheels, there's always the sunny side across the river. Take a ride, take a swim, my friend, and paddle your guitar. Across the river, you'll be fine. Go counting winners, right down the line. You'll be alright on the sunny side.
Adventures and keep track of this little hitchhiking Maltipoo, simply tap the icon that you see at the center of your screen.